Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys this new forex trading website which comes with a lot of features like deposit, withdrawal, AI trading bots, account upgrade, and all that here. So it comes with a lot of features which I'm going to be showing you guys in this particular video. So without wasting much of your time, let's jump straight into the video. So as you can see now, this is the front end of the website. You can see it is well structured and laid out for you, the content, the images, everything has been done properly for you, so no need to start stressing yourself about the content, the images to add on this particular website. So you can see it's just front end is just basic, straight to the point, no complex thing here to do. So let us log into our account. Once you click on login here, put in your password, your details, it takes you straight to the dashboard. So once you log in, it takes you straight to the dashboard where you can see your account balance, total profit, your bonus, your trading count, commissions, total deposit, total withdrawal, your latest deposit here. You can see your current IP address here, and you can see there are a lot of features here, which have the trading boards, your plan, that's upgrade accounts, copy trading, that deposit withdrawal, demo trading, crypto mining, trading signal, transactions, and it has a lot of stuff here on this particular website. So we're going to go through each feature step by step here. So let's just start from the portfolio. Let's click on portfolio. Let's start from up down. Okay. All right, so you can see your portfolio here. You can see your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, your USD, SRP, Doge, Shiba. You can choose to deposit, swap, or withdraw. So I want to deposit Ethereum, so just click on deposit here. Okay, just give it time to load. All right, so basically we have Bitcoin. Okay, I want to Bitcoin is selected, so I just click on Bitcoin. Then click on deposit. Okay, put in the amount you want to deposit. Say 100 USD, worth $200 worth of Bitcoin. So click on proceed. Just wait for it to process. Okay. Connect it to payment gateway. All right. Okay. Verify wallet address. Always check the first three and last digit. Okay. This is like a security tip to make sure you're actually doing the right thing. All right. So basically, this is the payment gateway. You can choose to pay through crypto, which are you can see all the address. You can pay through Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, Litecoin, all that. So if you want to do that, you can pay through others. You can pay through PayPal, PayPal. You can pay through Cash Apps, Celery, and Venmo, and all that. So you can still pay through bank transfer. You can see bank transfer here, and you can still pay through your card, your Mastercard or whatever card you use. So I just want to use crypto. Click on crypto. I'll pay through Bitcoin. All right. So just click on make payment. Okay. Just wait for it to actually process this your payment. Okay, payment made, confirming payment. Okay, just wait for it to load. Okay, it's still loading. All right, now you could just put your transfer ID here after making payment to the address. Put your transfer ID there. Click on upload your payment proof. Okay, just say there's my payment proof. Click on that. Just click on proceed down here. Proceed. Okay, just wait for it to confirm. You can see payment made. All right, successful. You can see that here. So once your payment record awaiting verification. Okay, awesome. So yeah, that's how you can make a deposit through Bitcoin. Okay, let's wait for it to redirect us back to the dashboard, or you can check out other features. All right, so just wait for it to load. Okay, so that's just that for that. So let's just go straight to the trading part. Okay, I talked about deposit. Let's talk about withdrawal. Let's just talk about withdrawal before we move on. Talk about withdrawal real quick. Okay. There are a little different methods here. You can withdraw through crypto, you can withdraw through others. We have the others, you can cash out paper, click on paper, you can click Jelly, Bimo, then you can withdraw through bank account. You can just put your account number, your account name, put in your amount and click proceed. So I just want to use crypto to make this withdrawal. So just click on Bitcoin, put my Bitcoin address here and just I want to withdraw $100. Click on proceed. All right, so just click on proceed. Okay. KYC is not approved. Okay, you actually have to complete your KYC before you can actually make withdrawal on this particular website. So that's just that for that. So let's just try other things. Okay, let's go back to the home page. Go back to the home page and check out other things. Okay, just give time to load. Okay, we have deposit here. Just give it time to load. Okay, this deposit is actually the same process. You can just click on um different method here. I talked about this before. Okay, let's move on to trading. Okay, yeah, we can perform trading on this particular website. Okay, all right. Now you can see a trade summary here. Total won 1, total loss 6, total profit 72, total loss $340. So you can see my account balance here. Okay, I want to make a trade. Okay, okay. Let's see the assets. I want to use USD to Ethereum 1 minute. My leverage enable take profit at 17. Stop loss let's say stop loss 29. Enter the amount. I want to go for 100, so just click on buy. Okay, you have to double click to trade. Okay, so trade started and you can see. Okay, let's just check the history first before I talk about the other parts. Okay, you can see my history here. You can see live trading. You can see it here, $100. I can choose to view the details. All right, you can see that here. You can see the real-time charts of when trade I actually did. I think I bought. Okay, it was buy. Okay, you can see the chart is going up and all that here, which is actually nice. All right, so basically that's just that for that. You can see my other trading history here, which has been closed and I won, lost, and all that here. So that's just that for this particular session. So what I have to do now is just to go back to trading so that I can show you the other part I want to show you now. Okay, just wait for it to load. All right, so that's just that. So I saw something here, swap. Okay, you can choose to swap from your. No, earlier on when we started the video, I saw show you something about deposit with Bitcoin and all that. So you can, if you make deposit with Bitcoin, you can actually swap from your Bitcoin to your Ethereum. You can see the exchange rate of 20%. Then you click on swap. It will just swap from that particular coin to the other coin. So you can swap from Ethereum to Bitcoin, for Bitcoin to RTC, or whatever you want to do. So that's just that for this particular session. You can see your live widget here of different cryptocurrency. So that's just that for this particular session. So next part now we have trading bots. Trading bots. Just click on that. All right, trading bots. There are different trading bots here. Try our trading bot today. trade smarter with our various automated strategies, easy, fast, and reliable. All right, so you can choose to subscribe to this particular any trading bot here, and you can see this is for $500 for 30 days. You can just you in commission every day for 30 days. So you can just use subscribe or subscribe to this too. So I want to subscribe to this particular one. Just click on subscribe and click on proceed. All right. Okay, I have to actually pay for this. Connect to payment gateway. All right. So let's give it time to load. Okay, this is like a security tip. So that before close. I want to pay through Bitcoin. Click on I've made deposit. I've made the transfer. And the other options here is the same process. You can just still follow this if you want. Then just wait. This take about 4 minutes. Okay, just please payments made. Okay, payment confirmed. Just give it time to load. Okay, so you have to submit your transfer ID. Just put in transfer ID there. Then upload the payment proof that you have made payment. Then just submit it there. Click on proceed. Um, okay, payment made. Okay, so that is just that for this particular session. So actually subscribe to that particular AI trading bot, which will give me percentage and profits daily automatically. So which is actually awesome. So let's just move on to the next feature of this particular website. Okay, okay, we're done with this trading bot. So let's go to market. Market, you can see all the let's load that. Let's see what that does. Okay, market, you can see all the live widgets of all current price of all the cryptocurrency, both forex and crypto. Oh yeah, so that's us that. Now we have plans which you can upgrade your account. That's plans. We're done with that part. Let's go to plans. So we can actually upgrade our account to okay, you can see there's basic plan, there's standard plan, there's gold plan, there's titanium, there's all that. Yeah. So you can upgrade your account to get more benefits. So it's actually the same process. Click on subscribe, make payment, select your payment method. That's the same thing we did for this trading bot. It's just the same process here. Okay, that's just that for this particular session. So let's go to copy trading. Click on copy trading. You can actually copy experts, copy traders so that you can in profit when they're in. So you can see a lot of experts here, copy their trade. So once they make profits, you in too from them. You can see this guy here, Coach Arena from United States, total trade 4,200, followers 182, ROI 10% of any amount you invest. So for 30 days, that's this is $3 million, $3 million for 30 days. You can see um this person trader two from Australia and all that. So each trader, so I can just choose to copy this trade, then see the same process, click on proceed, make payments, then once you make payments, then you go to the payment gateway, make the amount there. Okay, just say connect to your payment gateway. All right. So I want to show you guys how you can actually off this because from the admin side, you can actually choose to make a user pay from their account balance instead of making deposits over and over again. So I will show you guys how you can actually turn this off to make sure the user just make payments from directly from the balance instead of coming to this payment gateway to make payments. So I'll show you guys that in a bit. So click on here, click on I've made payment, I've made the transfer. Okay, give it time to load. You can see payment made, payment confirmed. Just the same process what we have been doing. So just give it time to load. Okay, now Put in your transaction ID, the same process. Submit your image. This is my screenshot of payments. Then just click on proceed. Click on proceed there. So just wait for it to process the payments. You can see payments made. So that is just that. It's actually the same process. Then that is just how you can upgrade your account. So I'll show you, as I said before, I'll show you guys how you can make it that a particular user can pay using their account balance, which is a very amazing feature on this particular website here. I'll show you guys that in a bit. All right, so that's that. So we're done with copy trading. Okay, copy trading was the one we did just now. Copy trading. We're done deposit. We're done withdraw. Demo trading. You can see demo trading where you can perform demo trading, which is the same thing with the normal trading. So this is a demo account. You have your let's say like $10,000 you can just use to practice your trading skill and all that. So it's actually the same thing. You just have to it's actually the same thing with your normal trading. Just setting your want to set crypto forex, I do forex, then choose GPD or GPP, then set the leverage, then stop loss and all stuff. Once you do that, click on sell or click on buy. The same process what we did before. You can see your demo trade history under here. You can see your live trade, which is I don't have any live trade here. You can just click reload this particular place. So that's just that for that. So let us move on to the next feature of this particular website without wasting much of your time. All right, so we're done with that. Now we have the crypto mining. Okay, crypto mining, where you can crypto mining, you can see available miners. You get payouts. Price of this particular miner is $1,200. You get for 30 days. You once you purchase this particular miner, you get profits daily automatically. So you can just click on purchase, follow the same process, make payments to the automatic payment gateway, submit your proof and all that. Yeah. So I'm going to show you guys how you can see off this, how you can use that to make payment through from their balance instead of going through the payment gateway. So that's just that for this. So we have trading signals here. Trading signals. Okay, see trading signals here. You can see the available signals. You can just make purchase. You can see risk around 12%, 30%. Actually, the same process here. You can just go through it. And we have transactions where you can see all the transactions on this particular website, your deposit, your withdrawals, and all this kind of stuff. Yeah, on the transaction part. Now let's move on to okay, you can see your withdrawal, deposits, and others. So that's just that for this particular session. So let's move on to trading history. Okay, trading history where you can see all your trading history, the one you won, the one you lost, and all that. In this particular place here. Okay, you can see my trading history. Yeah, this is my trading history. Yeah. So that is that for all the feature of this particular user dashboard. You can see it's very amazing and straight to the point. Very awesome features here on user dashboard. Now, next thing we're going to do is that I'm going to show you guys the admin side, so how the admin can manage this full website from the admin side. So log into my admin. If you log into your admin dashboard, take you straight to this dashboard like this. You can see all the users on this particular website. You can see there about 9. There's a lot of things in this admin side, so just have to watch me closely. So you can choose to search for a particular user through the email, user ID, and username. Then click on search here. It will just bring out that particular user if there are a lot of users on your particular platform. Now, this is my account here. This one, I can choose to edit. I will credit this particular credit my account. Click on credit. Okay. If I click on credit, I can that's my total balance fiat. I can choose to put in the amount here. I can choose to credit my total profit, bonus, or referral bonus. Then put in description and click to proceed with fiat credit. That's for fiat credit. Then you also see have crypto credit here. I can put in the crypto amount here, and I choose to credit my Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, whatever I want to do. click on proceed. You can choose to notify the user or not. If you notify the user, once you credit the user will get a notification that, oh, I've been credited with whatever amount you put there, which is a very, very amazing feature. Yeah. So let's just move on to the next. We'll go back to the dashboard. Okay. Cancel this. Okay. Still the same process for debit. If you want to debit the user, you can choose to remove money from the user's account. So just go down here, put in the amount you want to remove from the user account. My current balance is 5,500. You can just put that there. Remove let's say 100 USD from this account. You can choose from the main balance, total profit or bonus or referral bonus. Then put in the description. You can choose to notify the user that okay, your account was debited with whatever amount you put there. Same thing for the crypto deposit here too. The same process. Yeah. So that's just that for this part. Now we have the transactions. You can see all the transactions user have actually made on this particular website. You can see this here. This was my transaction. Then you can choose to add transaction to a particular user. You can add the deposit transaction, withdraw transaction, or purchase transaction, or others to this particular user here. It can be credit or debit. Then you can set the time and date and all that here, which is very, very amazing. So you can choose to edit the transaction details. You can also see edit the transaction details here and all that. So that is that for that. So let's just cancel this real quick. Okay. We have done credit, debit, and transactions. Now, the next thing we're going to talk about now is the payment method. This is what I was talking about before when we are doing the video, the user side. So just click on crypto payment method. Okay, so you can choose to, okay, this is for current plan. For plan, if you want to write a plan, okay, you can choose to make the user pay through gateway or both. If you choose both, the user can actually choose, okay, I want to pay my account balance, I want to pay with my through the payment gateway is their choice. So that is for the plan. For the current, okay, for bots, that the AI training bots, you can make them choose that you pay through the gateway or choose both for that. And if you want to purchase Signal, you can make them choose, okay, I want me to make payment through the gateway, or you can say make payment through your account balance, or you can say both. So user will have to choose which one they want. Same thing for the miners and the copy experts. So after filling all doing that, you can just click on update here. So if the user goes to their dashboard when I want to make upgrade their account, they can either choose to make payments through their account balance or payment gateway if you set it as both. So which is very awesome. Yeah. So that's just that for this particular session. Now we have the billing code. Okay, billing code. Let's click on that. Billing code, you can turn on billing code. You can see nothing to show. You can add billing code. You can see code for billing code. You can add billing code for, you can see this user has no billing code now. You can actually choose to turn on billing code. You turn on billing code when users want to make withdrawal. You can request a billing code from them. You can put in the billing code here, the code name. You can say for automatic or manual, then percentage and all that here. Then click on create billing code, which is actually amazing. So let's go to the next part, which is trading. Okay, click on trading. I'm just open this real quick. Trading, you can see all the trading, all the trades for this particular user. You can choose to edit. You can choose to edit this particular trade. For this particular trade, you can turn it to lost or sell, change the leverage, the take profits, and the stop loss here. So you can also choose to add trade to this particular user's account. So come here, you can add trade to this particular user's account. Crypto can be crypto, forex, or whatever you want to do. So that's just that for this particular place. You can also see search here by the start date, end date, sell, loss, or won for this particular user. So that's just that for that. So wallet status, you can choose to, as you can see, not connected. You can change wallet connection status to processing, connected, or not connected. And you can also see force wallet connection. You can see it's inactive. You can make it active now. If I make it active, I can force a user, this particular user, to actually connect their wallet to this particular website before they can do anything on this particular website. Or you can say display wallet connection button. If I make it active now, you can see it's inactive. I make it active, the place to connect wallet will actually show on the user dashboard. So that's just how this session actually works. Okay, now let's go to notification. So you can actually send a notification to this particular user here. So you can just come here, this user, put in the notification like a warning or a success message, like whatever you want to do. They can say, um, you can put a warning and say your account has been flagged or something, contact admin or contact support, then click on proceed. So when the user logs in, the user will see that particular notification. Also, we also still have account status. Okay, let me just open this account status. You can make the account status to be active, suspended, withdraw, disabled, blocked, banned, upgrade plan, upgrade bot, and all that here. You can choose to delete this user too. So after choosing your the status, you can just click on proceed to update that. So that is just that for this particular session. So let's go back straight down to okay, to this KYC. Okay, KYC. Let's go straight to KYC. Click on KYC here. You can choose to approve this user KYC. You can see this user KYC is actually rejected. So I can choose to approve this KYC for this particular user. You know, I was trying to, I don't know what I was trying to do earlier on. It was showing, withdraw, it was showing KYC not approved. So if I approve this KYC now, I try to make that withdraw, the withdrawal will actually go through. So that's how this actually session actually works. Now we have the, if you click on access dashboard from here, you automatically log in this user account. Okay, let's click on access dashboard. Okay, access dashboard here. You can choose to what do you call it? You can choose to, if I activate this thing now, user won't be able to access our dashboard. You can just create a dashboard code, dashboard title, and dashboard message. So when user tries to log in their dashboard, to show like a message like, okay, your account has been suspended, your account has been blocked, and all that. Yeah, which is a very amazing feature. Okay, so we have the uh user payment. Okay, if you click on user payment here, user payments. Okay, can see there's no actually no user payment here for now. So that's just that for that. So we have the view details. You click on view details here, you can see all the details of this particular user, the first name, last name, display picture, email, the telephone number, the OTP, which is disabled, the OTP, okay, and all that, total profit, total deposit, bonus, refund. Literally all the details of this particular user actually shows here. So that's all that for this. Now we have the account summary. If you click on account summary, you can actually take a snapshot of this account summary of a particular user, which is actually nice. Which is actually nice. Okay, so that's just that for this particular session. So let's go back here. We have the portfolio here. Okay, you can see all the portfolio of this particular user. You see the Bitcoin balance, the Ethereum balance, the Tether, the Ripple, all this LTC. That's your crypto balance, which is actually the portfolio balance. You can choose to add portfolio name. You can choose to add a new portfolio for the user. Let's say you want to add a new coin, which is SRP or Ripple or Stellar or wherever you want to add. Then you can proceed with wallet creation and all that, which is actually nice. So that's just that for this particular session. So let's just check out other things on the admin side. You can see this admin is well packed and it has a lot of things. So you can actually choose to add a new user. So instead of a user registering on your website, you can register the account for the user and send the user the login details, which is actually nice. So just fill in all these details here. Then you can choose to generate random transaction. So once you create the account, you can click to generate. If you click on generate random transactions and all that, when the user logs in the account, the user will see a lot of transactions on the account, which you say that your account has been active for a while now and all that sort of stuff, which is actually very, very amazing. Yeah. So after filling all the details and you just click on proceed, the account will be created. And if you mark all the transaction will be automatically created for the account. So that's just that for that. Now we have subscriptions. Okay, subscriptions you can see subscriptions. You can choose. Okay, this is just subscribed. You can choose to delete or whatever you want to do. Then if you click on deposits, okay, you can see all the deposits on this particular website. You can see this is what my deposits of crypto which I did earlier on. So that's just that for that. You can choose to approve or decline. If you approve, the balance amount will be credited to the user's account balance and all that. You can choose to search if it's too much. Just put in the deposit code or transaction ID. They can search to get that particular deposits. So the same thing for withdrawal. Okay, click on withdrawal. You can see okay there are no withdrawal here now because I didn't actually perform any withdrawal on the website because my account was KYC was not actually approved. So that's that for that. So payments, you can see all the well, what do you call it, your payment method. You can see um okay, this payment was the, you can see this payment is actually for where is it? This payment also was for the copy trade. You can choose to approve this and it will automatically go. This part is actually for the automatic payment gateway payments. So you can see I did the copy trade, the trading bot, copy trade, advanced trading bot, and all that. So that's just what this session is actually for. Then request, what is request? Let's see. Okay, there are no requests here. You can see connected wallets here. All right, connected wallet. You can see the connected wallet on this particular website. You can choose to, you can see it's actually screen processing. You can choose to approve or decline this. So basically, this is how the admin dashboard actually works. I can see it's web packed and has a lot of features, which is very awesome for you guys. So the next thing I'm going to show you guys now is how you can actually set it up yourself or set it up for your clients, which is all you are waiting for. So that's why I'm going to show you guys how you can do that now. Okay, so once you've gotten your domain name and hosting and you're giving your cPanel details, once you log into your cPanel, to take you straight to this particular dashboard. So if you don't know how to get your domain name and hosting, just contact the number description of this video so you can, we'll show you how you can get your domain name and hosting. All right, so for this we just, I'm going to be uploading it in a subdomain because it's a test work. So just upload it in a subdomain. I think I already have a domain created already. Subdomain created already. So okay, I have this created already. So just click on this. But if you're uploading yours in the main domain, you could just click here. It's actually, what I'm doing is actually the same thing. Just actually follow the same step. If you're uploading the main directory, just click here. But I'm uploading mine in a subdomain, I'll just click here. Okay. Alright, so just click on upload here. Click on select files. Okay. We have to set the file from our computer. Okay, just give it time to load. Okay, let me look for the file. Okay, so just click on open. Okay, so we actually have to wait for this particular file to finish uploading. So when it's finished uploading, you will select it. Once it gets 100%, it should show a blue color, but you actually have to wait for it to show a green color before you can actually cancel it or proceed to the next step. So just wait for it to upload. All right, so okay, you can see it has show green. Then you can just cancel this, reload this particular page, and just click on right click like this, and click on extract. All right, extract here. Okay, okay, click on close. Now before you move it out, click on this part here. Okay, make sure this show hidden file is selected, show hidden files, then click on save. Okay, I don't need this anymore, delete this, then click this particular folder. Now what we have to do now is to select all, click on move. We're going to move everything outside. So now note something now, right? The name of the folder was, I just want to remove the name of the folder. This is actually my subdomain like this. That's why it's like this. This is my subdomain. So yours should be showing public underscore HTML slash show. Just leave that is the main directory. So click on move. Okay, so that is here. All right, it's outside now. Now we have this installation guide. Click on edit. Now, what we have to do first, they say PHP version for this script should be 8.1. So let us set that first. Go back here, your cPanel, search for PHP multi-PHP manager. Click on this one here. Okay, just wait for it to load. Okay. Oh, this is my domain here, subdomain. Just select that, then make it 8.1. Click on apply. Okay, so just wait for it to finish. Okay, just wait for it to load. Um, okay, it's loading. Okay, you can see that it has finished taking the version to 8.1. All right, let's go back to our installation guide. Download and extract the zip file. I've done that. Create a new database. Okay, let's create a new database. Okay, so search for DB, that database wizard. Click on that. Now you have to name your database. So I want to name my database. Let's say um, trade DB, trade DB one. Okay, just copy that. I like to use just copy this. I will show you why I copy that. Click on next. Okay, just wait for it to load. Okay, it's loading. Okay, while that's loading, let's check out the next thing to do. Okay, create a new database, import the DBSQL inside the SQL folder, go to control folder, config folder, edit config and set database. Okay, okay, my username, that's the stuff I copied just now, just paste it there. Then my password, paste this here. So what is this actually means that my database name, username, and my password is actually the same thing. So after doing that, click on create user. Okay, click on create user. Okay, just wait for it to load. Then click on allow all privileges. Then click on make changes. Very important. Click on make changes. So you just have to just copy just this one name here now. Now they say go to control folder, control folder, controls. Okay, go to config, then go to config, then edit. That's to set our database connection. Okay, this is it here. Paste that there, paste that there, paste that there. Okay, so that is all for that. After doing that, you just have to click on save. So that's just that for that. Now the next thing now is to set up our SMTP so our users can receive mail. Locate the okay, that is, you can actually do that in the admin settings and tap app settings. Okay, okay, that is, you can actually do that from the admin side. Now the next thing to do is to um upload our SQL file in our database. Let's do that real quick. Okay, SQL folder, open this, click on download. Okay, that's downloaded. Now go back here, search for PHP my admin, click on that, click on, we actually have to select the particular database we created. So which was trade 1DB. Okay, click on that. Click on import, browse file. This particular one downloaded. Click on open. Click on import. So while that is important, let's check out if there's any routing. So your admin login should be your domain name /admin. That's your setURL/admin, then email is admin, password 12346 and all that. Yeah. So let us wait for our database to finish importing. Okay, once it has finished importing, you see like a green color here. So once you see that, you know that your database has finished importing successfully. So that's just how you can set up this website. You can see it's very easy to set up. If you follow this step properly, you should not have any issue, and you should follow through the installation guide if you're having any issue. So that's all for today. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.